King Rantideva, a story about giving, adapted from Tales of Old Times by the mother. Rantideva, who was a king, became a hermit in the forest. He had given his wealth to the poor and lived a simple life in the solitude of the jungle. He and his family had only the bare necessities of life. They had discovered the joys of living simply. One day, after a fast of 48 hours, a light meal of rice with milk and sugar was prepared for him. A poor Brahmin came up to the door of the hut and asked for food. Rantideva gave him half of his rice. Then came a Sudra begging for help, and Rantideva gave him half of what remained. Then he heard a dog barking. The poor beast seemed to be starving. Rantideva gave him what was left. Last of all came an outcast who stopped at the hermit's door and asked for help. Rantideva gave him the milk and the sugar and continued to fast. Then came 4 gods who said to him, "Rantideva, it was to us that you gave food, for we assumed the forms of a Brahmin, a Shudra, a dog, and a poor outcast. You were good to us all, and we praise you for your loving thoughts. A kind heart treats all humans and animals as members of one family, one humanity."
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.